Hey guys, this is Courtney from Killing It With Coupons. Here's my Walgreens haul for you guys this week. Everything you guys see here would have cost me $46.46. I paid $7.16 plus $1.55 in tax and saved $37.78. I used $10 worth of balance points and I got back $10 in register rewards plus $2 in balance points for a total of $12, making my net cost $5.16. So, I will let you guys know about the deals. I actually did do this in 3 transactions. So real quick, I'm going to break that down for you guys and show you how I did it. Alright, so as you guys can see here, the first thing I picked up was the Tecnu. This is an anti-itch gel. This is on sale this week for $5, and you get back $5 in register rewards, making it completely free. So I'll show you guys how I did that over here on my receipt. As you can see, it's $5. My subtotal was $5.09 in tax, and I redeemed 5,000 balance points, so I only paid 9 cents, and I saved, as you can see, it says savings $4.49. That's not including the $5 I used in balance points, so that was $9.49 that I actually wound up saving. Then I did the same thing over here. I picked up another one of these, and I did the exact identical transaction and saved the exact same, and again, that's plus that $5 in register rewards that they don't include in the savings. Or the balance points. And then my last transaction, what I did was I picked up 4 of the Garnier Fructis. These are the shampoos. You can either do shampoos, conditioner, or styling products. The select ones are on sale this week, $6 for 2. And when you spend $12 in the participating Garnier products, you get back 2,000 balance points, and I used a $2 coupon from this past Sunday's paper, making these I wound up paying $4 and then got back 2,000 balance points, making my subtotal $12 or $2 for 4 or 50 cents a bottle. And so that was that. And also, one other thing I just want to point out to you guys, make sure that the ones that I noticed were on sale are the 13 ounces. Some of them were still marked in a weird place, like on an end cap, the 17.5 ones, but they were not, they're not the $3 ones. So just to double check, make sure you guys are picking up the right ones, so that you don't encounter almost the same mistake I made. Normally I wouldn't have checked the ounces, but I was feeling particularly alert today, so I did make sure I noticed that. And then I also picked up 4 of the Pure Silk shave creams. These are on sale for $1.29, and we have a 50-cent coupon from this past Sunday's paper, making those only 79 cents a piece. So I'll show you guys my receipt on this. You can see up there all of these shampoos, which are $3, and then the Pure Silk, 2 of these were $1.25, and the other 2 were $2.58 as well. And then my $2 coupons on the Garnier and the 50-cent coupons on the Pure Silk, I got back 2,000 balance points. My subtotal was $17.16. After tax, I paid $8.53 and saved $18.80. So, that is my haul for this week. It's a little small. I know there's not a ton going on this week, but there were a few deals, like I said, I wanted to take advantage of. So, if you guys have a haul, I'd love to read or hear about it via video, picture, or comment. You guys can also find these deals and more posts on my blog, killingitwithcoupons.com. You guys can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, Instagram, and Tumblr. I'll post links to all of those in the description below. And if you guys would, please subscribe. I'll see y'all next week. Bye!